Hey guys, Chrisspy here. If you're new here at my channel, I do lots of beauty videos, sometimes crazy transformations. I love Halloween videos. Body confidence and health and fitness is something I'm super passionate about. It's a big part of my real life, and I've touched on those issues on my channel, but I've never really shared my actual experience and my own journey before until now. This is gonna be a weekly series. Every single Monday, I'm gonna update you guys with where I'm at. I would say I've always been kind of like a thick girl. My weight has really fluctuated throughout the years, but it's taken me a long time to get to this place where I really feel good where I'm at, regardless of my size, because I know I'm on my way and my head is in a good space. Okay, before we jump into the video, please make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and that you turn on post notifications so that you don't miss any of my new videos. Let me just preface this with, over the past couple months, I went through a pretty rough time in my life and I had put on a lot of weight. I was really unhappy. You guys might have noticed I wasn't really present on social media, and it took me a long time of like trying and failing to finally get to the point where I was ready to commit, and that's where we are now. So yeah, you guys are gonna see it all, and thank you for allowing me to share with you. What up guys? Happy Monday from the Chrisspy Mobile. I am on my way to the gym right now. I'm pretty late. So today we're gonna check in with my trainer. I worked out twice last week only. The goal is to work out 5 times this week. So I'm actually starting the keto diet today too. I know it's trendy, but whatever. I'm like, a bitch needs to just jump start.
So step on with your feet. Good. And grab the handles with the buttons. Awesome. So since March, granted this weekend you kind of ate a little bit more than what you usually do. You gained about 5 pounds of water, about 5 pounds of muscle, but you also gained about 4, a little less than 4, so 3.8 pounds of fat. Your body fat percentage is actually lower.
No, wait, really?
Yeah, but only by like 0.01%. And it has to do with the fact that you have more muscle and more water. But that doesn't mean that this is a failure, because you did put on a significant amount of muscle.
So you just gotta get that.
Your BMR went up almost 50 calories. So your body's burning 50 calories more in a day without you moving, which means that when you move, you're also burning more calories. So all of those things are success. The only thing that is happening here is portion control of foods, maybe having a little bit too much alcohol. I feel like if you keep doing what you're doing, we just get the at-home remedies under control, you're gonna make more progress in the one area that you didn't make progress in, which is body fat. So you did incredibly well as far as putting on muscle. You put on a lot over the course of like 6 weeks or 8 weeks about. I know we took a couple weeks off there, but let's just, for this next like 6 weeks, and you're starting keto, and you got everything sorted for that,
yes.
Already, and you're starting today. So this is technically like the start of your keto kind of adventure.
Yes.
I've had success with everyone that's done keto. I've never personally done it myself, but that should be interesting. And try not to let one day, if you mess up one day, mess up the whole week. That's the biggest thing. You don't want any of this stuff to spiral out of control. Rather stop it when you can, even if you do. Everyone messes up on their diet. I mess up consistently, but I don't let it spiral into the rest of the week.
Yeah.
That's the hardest part, is not letting it affect a longer period of time. It's okay to have like these little pockets, but we can plan for it. And that's okay, because at least as if the rest of the 6 weeks, including the rest of the week of those 3 weeks, are good, that's gonna be well over 80 to 90% of this next 6 weeks. You're gonna be on top of your stuff, which is all you need.
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be 100% to work. It just needs to be mostly on point. All right.
All right.
But good job with your training. Look at all that progress you made with the muscle. All right, let's go train.
Let's do it. I'm headed home now. Today was a good workout. Today was actually kind of a light day compared to what we've been doing. I feel good. It's crazy. It's hold on. Let me turn down the music. It's crazy that this is the heaviest that I've ever weighed, but I'm not really tripping. There is a part of me that is still kind of feels like, I don't know, I've been avoiding certain events and stuff just because like there has been a part of me that feels like kind of embarrassed that like I've gained this much weight, and just feeling like, oh, I don't want to see people, and then people are gonna be like, oh, she gained so much weight. But I mean, that's bullshit. That was like a big reason too why I feel like I kind of avoided doing this vlog, because I was like, honestly, I didn't want to show people like what I look like and how much I weigh, but I just let go of that. I just let go of that control feeling like, oh, I need to like, I don't know, like control the way that people see me. Like this is reality. This is where I'm at, and I actually feel good about it. So yeah. This is my water goal for the day. And this is how much I've drank. The plastic tab is still on it. I haven't drank anything, but we're gonna get started. Just like in a couple minutes. You know why I feel good too? Because I know with 100% certainty, I have no doubt in my mind that I'm gonna achieve my goals. And do you wanna know how I know that? Because I told myself.
Well, hello. Hi, Granny. Hi, my little friend. Hi.
So I wish I had showed you guys earlier when I was unboxing. It was like a crazy mess in here. I made some food, whatever, did everything else I have to do. Oh, hello. I don't know, I just feel like I'm having anxiety. Anyways, I'm gonna try and just go to sleep early because I'm having anxiety. I feel weird just being very focused. I don't even know what I'm saying. I should have showed you guys what I ate. I will show you tomorrow. I'm just gonna go to sleep so I don't eat anything or drink anything. Like, I'm gonna try and go to sleep early. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. This is my breakfast I'm about to eat before my workout. We have an avocado, 2 eggs, and I actually put some Swiss cheese on the eggs. My coffee. So I am going to Benihana's right now with my little brother and his girlfriend, and I kind of looked it up online. And you can get basically I just can't do any sauces and no rice, but I can do like protein and veggies.
I said you get
The sea and meadow?
The sea and urchin.
Sea and urchin? You said the
lobster, the shrimp, the snake.
splashing meadow.
Oh, splashing meadow, that is it.
Is that what it's called? Guys, hey, stop it. So I'm watching Gremlin. I'm watching the documentary, The Magic Pill, on Netflix. I have Tanner on right now. That's why I'm looking crazy. It's about the keto diet. Yeah, I'm curious to see what it says. I'm hoping that it motivates me It's literally the end of day 2 and I was thinking like I'm killing it. This is the longest I've gone like for like a solid streak. And then I was like, dude, it's been 2 days. But yeah, I'm about to check out this documentary. If someone will leave me alone. Good morning, guys. Day 5, doing really good, feeling good. Oh, and I did the tests for the keto sticks or whatever to test your like the level of ketones in your body, blood, I don't know. I'm still in the small range, so I'm probably gonna tighten things up and be a little bit stricter this weekend so that I just get those levels a little bit up, you know. If I got goals. Yeah, I am like super sore. Like my whole body is friggin' sore AF. And I feel like I haven't not been sore and I can't even remember how long. Just kidding. Like probably like a week. But still, it was a long time to be consistently sore. So I actually forgot to vlog my lunch earlier. I had lunch with Marissa and we had salmon, spinach, and avocado. So I'm really trying to stay away from carbs today, be a little bit more strict than I have been this week. We're watching the NBA Finals game at my place. So I got some guacamole and salsa and chips for everybody else. But I got like these Parmesan crisps thing that I'm gonna dip in the salsa. Maybe, or in the guac. I'll probably just have that because it's just cheese. I'm feeling really good going into the weekend. Like I have no temptation to like cheat or drink or anything like that. So yeah, I'm feeling good. My body is sore, but gonna be back in the gym tomorrow and take Sunday off. All right, you guys, so this is my snack I made. Fried queso fresco with some jalapenos on top.
Oh, that was like, I said like, the next day I'm like, oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Do you guys want to try some?
Yeah.
Hold on, I will right now.
Wow. The cheese sets it off too.
Good, right? Just got home. It's like 10 o'clock. I'm actually like craving some sweets really bad, but I'm really excited to get on the scale tomorrow and see like how much weight I lost this week. So that's preventing me from cheating on my diet. I was like busy out all day today, so I kind of forgot to snap my food, which I should have. Also, I was supposed to work out today. Today would have been my 6th workout this week. But like I said, I was just like running around all day long, running errands with Alan. So I didn't make it to the gym before it closed. Anyways, I'm tired. I'm gonna go watch a movie with Grammy in bed. So it said 202.1 before. but I think my phone is making it a little heavier. But yeah, I'm not mad. I wish it would go down even a little bit more, but hey, I'm not mad. That's 10 pounds in 7 days. That's crazy. All right, you guys, so I hope that you enjoyed this vlog. Again, make sure you leave me comments down below. Let me know what you wanted to see more of, what was helpful. And make sure you tune in next week because I'm on a roll. I'm about to look so good. My phone is ringing. So yeah, make sure you tune in next week. I'm super motivated. I'm just excited to see where I'm gonna go. Like are you okay now? You okay? You good? Okay. I'm just super excited to see what I'm capable of because I'm really ready to test myself. And yeah, thank you guys for watching as always, and I'll see you next week.